All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Thursday, May 28th. I made a good amount of money today. I actually ended up securing a basically $1.4 thousand payout across 4 Top accounts and a $1.5 thousand payout across 4 Funded Futures family accounts. So that's around $13,000 in payouts. My Lucid Live accounts are being worked on currently. Support is talking to them for me about it because I cannot wait to trade my fucking live accounts, which apparently they're not blown. They said they're not blown, but I think they're blown. I don't know. Either way, Lucid is not at fault for this. It turns out Ninja Trader fucked up. The broker fucked up, and they're fixing. This is why I hate live accounts with prop firms. They're fixing it for me, so they're saying what's wrong with that, right? So coming into the market open, I was extremely bullish. This is what I sent out to the Discord. If you guys are not in the free Discord, you should join. I give out tons of free sauce there every day. I said I'm bullish. I like the way price is rejecting bullish PD rays right now. I like the way we're sweeping out lows. Let's look for fucking longs, right? Coming to market open, first thing I do, I hop on the daily time frame. What are we doing? Yeah, we still have new week opening gap below us, but we also make a daily FEG. We tap into that daily FEG. We're respecting it. On the 4-hour time frame, what do? We have this 4-hour gap. We're respecting it. We're sweeping out internal lows within those 4-hour gaps and respecting it. On the hourly, what do? Tap into this hourly gap. We push higher, respect it. What else do? We disrespect this bearish hourly gap. Bearish hourly gap right here. We close above it. Now what do we have? 15-minute order blocks, 15-minute gaps. We respect these gaps and we push higher and higher, right? We have this bearish 15-minute gap. I don't care about that. What I see is this bearish 15-minute bullish 15-minute gap right here. Same thing on ES. What do we end up doing? If we take a look at that 15-minute gap on ES, which is this line right here, we can take a look at Nasdaq pre-market. We have this 5-minute bullish gap, right? What the fuck? We just ripped. Wow. Okay. That has to be news. All right, bro. All right, bro. That is definitely news. This is not normal. Either way, bias was bullish the entire day. We have this daily gap. We have this hourly gap. Price is clearly respecting. I'm not looking for shorts. I'm only looking for longs. Now we have this 15-minute gap and this 5-minute gap. I wanted price to do this. Tap into the 15-minute gap and look for longs. But then I noticed, all right, we actually have an SMT there at 920. Let's take a look at ES, right? Price tap into that 15-minute gap on ES. We're in Nasdaq. We're literally all the way up here. So we have an SMT here. We actually have a double SMT. We have an SMT at this low and at this low, right? Because this low here, actually no, we have an SMT between these two and between these two because price did not take out this low and this low did not take out this low, if that makes sense, right? So this 15-minute gap is now a breakaway gap. What is a breakaway gap? A breakaway gap is when an SMT is formed at an FEG, telling us that price does not need to tap into this bullish P array because it did so on ES. Look at this shit on ES. It looks ridiculous. That's insane. All right. Either way, I see this and I'm like, all right, you know what? We have a bullish SMT. We're in this 5-minute gap. I want 929 to give us a good bullish closure. 929 gives us an IFEG. We respected this order block and I'm like, fuck it. Let's go in light size. I ended up TPing at this high right here for a 1-to-1 risk reward. Pretty simple trade. I made around, actually I got slipped because I made $800. So I tried taking profit here and I guess I actually closed. I got filled very nicely. So this was a trade of the day. Stops right here. If I were to get stopped out, I wouldn't give a shit. I would literally re-enter off any entry trigger, which is actually what we ended up getting here when I took another long on the one account that I didn't have copy trading. We respected this order block, pushed higher. I entered long here with stops below that order block. The new order block that formed. TP at the unfilled 5-minute gap. Or no, that's wrong. Sorry. No, that's wrong. Break even at the 5-minute gap, and then I took profit I think at this candle closure. I could check my executions, but I'm 99% sure I went for a 1-to-1 on this because I was down. I took a short here as well. Yes. Okay, perfect. So this is the short that I took. Very good risk to reward. I was pretty confident in it. We ended up inversing this 15-minute gap, tapped into this bearish 15-minute gap, and got some nice displacement on the 1 minute to the downside. And I was like, all right, this could actually play out nicely. So I take this trade with very tight stops. Trade idea didn't work out. I lost $400 on this trade. Re-entered long after we ended up disrespecting this bearish order block. Made a bullish change in state in delivery. Actually, that created a bullish breaker block. We tapped into it, broke structure to the upside above this previous swing high right here. Created a bullish order block. That is when I entered in long to make, I was down 400. And then I made whatever 400 minus this is. So I'm up 400 on the account. So I made 800. So I caught 40 points. Wow. Fucking beautiful execution there. That was literally just based off discretion as well. I just took profit where I was happy with the money I made. That was a purely monetary trade. And we also had a 5-minute rejection wick there that I thought price could easily retrace into, right? So break even at this unfilled 5-minute gap. And then TP at that rejection wick up here, essentially. So pretty clean and simple trading day. If you guys have any questions about any of these trades, I do not give signals. I do not give alerts. What I do give is daily bias and draws on liquidity to the free Discord in bio, right? You guys should join up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day and peace out.